Hello French food lovers, today we're gonna do
Bread.
white bread. And watch until the end because we're gonna show you how to do the best breakfast using this white bread at the end of this video. Hello French food lovers, I'm Chef Jérôme,
Hello, I'm Chef Valentin.
and in this channel we'll show you how to do
Easy French style cooking.
For the white bread, you're gonna need 300 grams of flour, 6 grams of salt, 5 grams of dry yeast, 15 grams of sugar, 15 grams of butter, 15 grams of eggs, 10 grams of oil, 150 grams of water. Pour the flour in a bowl. Put the yeast on one side, the salt and the sugar on the other side. Add the rest of the ingredients and mix well. Then you want to press and fold your dough and make a ball. You don't want it to stick to the bowl, so you can add a little flour if needed. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Then press and fold for a few minutes. This will give strength to your dough. Let it rest for about half an hour. Then you want to shape your dough by making a rectangle and fold it 3 times. Put it in a mold covered with a rag and let it rest for an hour and a half. Brush with eggs. Like this, you're gonna get a nice coloration. Cook it at 160 degrees for about 20 minutes. When it's cooked, you can cook it for about 5 more minutes at 110 degrees without the mold to let it dry a little bit on the outside. Okay, let's cut slices to see how it is. Pretty nice bubbles. Do you want to try? For the bread, to know how it is, you want to smell it first, and then you can try. Not bad, huh? So now I'm gonna cut 2 thick slices, and I'm gonna do some French toast. For the French toast, mix eggs, milk and sugar. Soak the slice of bread in the mixture and then cook it in a pan with oil. You can also put butter, but be careful for coloration. When you soak it, make sure the liquid goes all the way through the bread. And now you're ready to eat it.